Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to zoom in and out using volume button. Okay. First of all, open camera in your phone and then go to the settings icon of camera here, and then here select shooting methods, and here select press volume keys 2, and it is already set to take picture or record video. So if you are if you open a camera in your phone and then if you press volume up button or volume down button, it will take photo or record video. Okay, that is what already set. If you would like to use zoom in and out, click on second one, zoom in and out. Then uh, if you hereafter use volume up button or volume down button, it will act for zooming purpose. Okay, see here, I would like to take this photo and I now press volume up button. It is zooming in. Okay, for zooming out you go to press volume down button. Okay, actually we will pinch like this to zoom in or out. Okay, but instead of pinching in the screen, just you can use volume up button to zoom in, volume down button to zoom out. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.